Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have showed you like how to use OCR model or optical character recognition model. In this video, we are going to use some other services which is called document intelligence. So that is also related to my previous video. So if you didn't gone through my previous videos, I'm requesting you to please go through my previous videos. That will be helpful for you to understand. Okay, so for document intelligence, I have to go to portal.azure.com. So I'm going to portal.azure.com. So under this landing page, you can see like so many options available, like Azure services. You have to go to more services. So it is loading still now. So and this is the credit remaining. You can see like this pop up. So this is the Azure services, and I'm going to use suppose any of the other services apart from computer vision. So I have to go to Azure AI services. You can go through more services as well, but the option is available for me. So I'm going to Azure AI services. So this option. Okay, so this option I can say like document intelligence is available left side. So I have created videos on computer vision previously, so I'm not going to explore that again, and I have deleted the resource and API keys as well. So I'm going to document intelligence first. Okay, let's say document intelligence. What is that? Document intelligence. So for that, I have to go there and I have to create a resource. So you can see like I have already created a resource. So how to create a resource in document intelligence? You have to simply click on this create field, and it will open some filling fields like this, and you have to select the subscription, and you have to select the resource group. So I have selected my resource group like this one, and east region, east US region is fine, and name you have to give a name like Azure user or something. Azure user, maybe I can give it like this. Okay, so pricing tier. Okay, let's say 123. Okay, so this name is available, and then pricing tier I need to select standard S0. Okay, then so I have selected the free version, so which is not this option previously because I have already created a resource. Then next, networking, you have to select all networks. So this option, the first option you need to select, because you have to access it through API keys. So that's why I have selected all networks. Next one is identity. Okay, so the status should be off. So whatever is by default, you can keep it as it is. And then you have to click on next, and then tags. You don't need to provide anything over here. And next, review plus create. So it is basically validating my options are correct or not. So if it is possible to create, it will give you the option to create that. So if you click the create button, the resource will get created, and the name of the resource is this one, uneven for YouTube. So this resource. So I have already created a resource under document intelligence, so I'm not going to create this. But if you are new to this video, you can go ahead and create that resource. Okay, so I'm closing this. So I already have the resource available, which is YouTube demo. So in this video, I'm going to give you a demo like how the document intelligence will work. Maybe in the next video, I'll made an API connection, and we'll explore like how you can use it through your Python code base. Okay, so for that, how to use the document intelligence, you need to go to this resource first, and you can see in the landing page the API keys is created already. If I'll scroll down, you can see the keys is available, key 1, key 2, and the location is available, and the endpoint is also available. So those things are created while creating the resource itself. Okay, so I'm going to explore like what are the services available, or what are the things according to document intelligence. Let's explore that. Okay, so for that, you have to go to Document Intelligence Studio, this option. So if you click that, it will open the Document Intelligence Studio. So there are so many options available. You can see like read, layout, general documents. Okay, so those are the pre-built models like invoices, receipts, identity documents, US health insurance cards, US professional tax, mortgage, pay stubs, US bank statements and contracts, and US marriage certificates, credit cards, or US checks, business cards. Because Microsoft is basically US based, so that's why they are providing so many things related to United States. And custom models also you can create. So let me explore at least one or two of them. So first I'm going to receipts. So what is that document intelligence means? So let me try it out. Okay, so I'm clicking this option, try it out. So it is basically opening this, and I have to open this one. So guys, it is loading. It will take maybe a few seconds of your time. Okay, so this is the document intelligence UI look like. Okay, so this is provided by Microsoft Azure itself. So this is the sample receipt, you can see. Like this is the sample receipt, and if I zoom in this, you can see like there are so many things available: subtotal, delivery fee, service tax, and those are the things, blah blah blah. So those are inside this receipt. Okay, and this is also another sample. So I'm working on with the first sample. So if I do run analysis, let's see what are the outputs we are getting. So I'm running the analysis. So you can see like it is analyzing this receipt and it will give you the output over here. So guys, I got the output like house number 1822. So it is already given. Like if I'm zooming in, you can see like house number. Okay, so where is the house number? Yes. So this is the house number, which is 1822. And then this is the street address. Okay, avenue something is, and then Island Avenue. Then postal code is also defined, and then city, which is Chicago, it's mentioned, and Illinois and US. And then this is the street address. And if I'm going down, you can see like hot dog and those details also available, transaction time and all. Okay, so in result, I think everything is available, and including confidence score as well. It is giving all the results, so in JSON data format. Okay, so basically it is similar to optical character recognition. So if you didn't gone through my previous two videos, I'm requesting you to please go through that, because you'll get an idea like how optical character recognition will work. So similar to document intelligence as well. So if you have the receptors, or if you have any credit card or anything, any formatted documents, it will detect the text from the particular receipts or invoice. Okay, so coding part that I'll show you later. So there is a code available in Python. Also, it is available. You can see like just need to copy the code and you can use it through your code base. You just need to replace the API key and the API endpoint. And if you are using JavaScript or C hash, that is also possible. So in this video, I'm not going to cover. In this video, I'm going to try with some other image as well. Okay, let me go back. Okay, let me try with this sample. So for this sample also, I think it's possible. Okay, I'm running analysis and similar thing will get. Okay, so it will take few seconds of your time. So basically the idea is same, like it is extracting all the details from this document, like in text format. And if you are getting the result, try to get the result in JSON data. So there you'll get all the things with confidence score and all, with offset and so many things they are providing. You just go through it and you can explore the documentation as well. So in this video, I'm going to explore some other services. Okay, let me go back to the Document Intelligence Studio. So this is the Document Intelligence Studio. So for receipts, I have already done the test, and for invoice, I'm going to try it out. Okay, so I'm simply clicking the option try it out. So it is opening this, and I think it is the same thing. So let's see. Yeah, though, so this is the sample. Okay, so this is the invoice. So invoice and receipts is almost pretty much same. So again, you need to do the run analysis and you'll get all the options, all the text available inside this particular image. And yes, so again, it is the same thing. Okay, so I'm stopping here. Okay, so let me create some other video where I can try this code and I can connect it to my Python console, so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, so let me come back to the next video, and till then stay tuned. And if you have anything or any suggestion or any comment, you can make a comment in the comment box, because that will be motivation for me. And please subscribe to my channel and please share this video as well. Until then, stay tuned, and let's see you in the soon in the next video. Goodbye.